Welcome to Casual Grilling with Rubes. My name is Ruben, or as my friends call me, Rubes. Thank you for joining us. Today we will be cooking a steak, a choice New York strip. So let's get to it. So here's what we have. We have some fresh veggies here that I'm going to grill up. I'm also going to have some fresh potatoes. And then we have our two choice New York strips. All right, so very important, don't forget to dry your steaks with paper towels as much as possible on both sides. A dry steak always produces a better sear on the grill. All right, so now that the steaks are nice and dry, we're going to season them. I'm using Himalayan pink salt in a grinder. Season both sides as much as possible. You can't overdo the salt. Now, a lot of people use a pepper on their steaks. I'm not one of those. I find that the pepper gives off a bad flavor after grilling. So we're going to skip this step and we're going to do it near the end of grilling. Welcome to my backyard in sunny Florida. I've got the charcoal briquettes in a chimney starter, and I'm going to let these go for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we'll check back with these in a little while. We're ready to cook the veggies, and on the grill they're not going to take but more than a minute or two per side. So we'll let those cook up for a little while. All right, so the veggies look great. We're going to take them off and plate them, and then we're going to move on to the steaks. We have our steaks ready to put on the grill. I'm going to put them on at about a 45-degree angle to the grill grate. And we're going to push down a little bit to make sure that making contact with the grill. After about a couple of minutes, we're going to flip them. Wow, take a look at that sear. Great crust. They look fantastic. Mouth-watering. All right, so we brought them inside. We're going to let them rest on this cooling rack for about 10 minutes, and then we'll cut into them. All right, so we take a look at the center. We've got a medium steak, about 140 on the thermometer. A little bit past medium rare, which I prefer, but that's okay. My wife likes a medium steak. We'll slice these up, they're easier to eat. And then we're going to plate them. I know you guys are probably dying to find out. Is he going to try it? Yeah, I probably think I should. Okay. Very delicious. Probably a little bit beyond what I would have done this. I usually cook it to about a medium rare, but this is not bad at all. Excellent. This is Rubes. Thanks for watching Casual Grilling. I appreciate it. Watch for my up and coming videos.